Hi, my name is Anne and I help writing coaches get more clients. In this video, I'm going to share you the one productivity hack that can really make a difference in your business, batching your content creation. As a writing coach, there's a lot of content creation going on in your business. Blog posts, social media posts, newsletter creation, and so on and so on. By batching all of your content, you can make sure that you are consistent, reduce your stress, and end up with delivering better content. Let's dig in. How do you start batching your content? First step, time. Schedule a moment in the week where you will focus on your content creation. This can be, for example, the Monday. On Monday, you're going to focus on creating your blog post. Make sure that you have a distraction-free environment. No notifications, no pop-ups, but also no client calls or any urgent business that should be done that day. Step number 2, plan ahead. One of the things that can really take a lot of time when you are creating a blog post is to have those ideas. To avoid that problem, set up, for example, a Trello board. And whenever you have an idea or an inspiration, put it on your Trello board. That means that the day that you're focusing on your content creation, you just have to go back to your Trello or Notion board, whatever you want to use, and take the idea for the blog post. Step number 3. Think about all the tasks that involve publishing that famous blog post, writing the blog post, editing the blog post, scheduling the blog post. And you're going to batch each task. Step number 4, set aside a specific time for your different tasks. Let's go back to writing the blog post. You can decide that you want to be a consistent blog poster, and it means that you need to put out 4 to 5 blog posts every week. You can decide that on that Monday, you will spend 2 hours on writing your blog post. Now, for the particular example of blog posts, there are several things that you can do here. You can decide to write your 5 blog posts one after the other, or you can use another technique, which is you write the body of your blog post and then you come back to the entry and the final. The advantage of the second procedure is that it will give you time to reflect a little bit on what you have written, to come back and change where necessary. And then you go to the next task, which is scheduling those blog posts. Last but not least, review your blog post. Every day, take 5 minutes to go over your blog post, refine them, edit them if necessary. However, don't spend an hour on this. Limit yourself to 5 to 10 minutes. This is just to go over and I hope this tip has been useful. If you want more of these tips straight in your email box, don't forget to sign up for the newsletter for writing coaches. You will find the link below the comment. Feel free to leave me your comments and share the love. Share this video to someone who has been intrigued by the process of batching themselves. Have a good day. Bye-bye.